Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my dear students. Hope you are all right by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Hannan sir speaking. The students who study O level, almost everybody knows my name. I've been teaching O level Bangla since the last 27 years. Alongside, I have been teaching Bangladesh studies, that is BST or B studies, but I am not comparatively well known like Bangla. I don't know what is the reason, because both subjects I have been teaching at the same time, but I am well known in Bangla O level, but not Bangladesh studies. However, in practical, I have lots of students for Bangla, but not comparatively the same amount of students in Bangladesh studies. But I had the Bangladesh studies related subject in my bachelor's degree and master's degree. So thank you very much. Today, I am going to discuss about Bangladesh studies, Cambridge syllabus. I will discuss today about the syllabus of Cambridge Bangladesh studies and the technique of question paper solving. So thank you very much. Let's go. Bangladesh studies Cambridge have the two papers you already know. Paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 includes the chapters like the culture and heritage of Bangladesh, pre-Mughal Bengal, the Mughal period, the British period, and from Pakistan to Bangladesh, 1947 to 1971. All these 5 chapters in paper 1. And paper 2, that is we say geography. Paper 1 we say history, and paper 2 we say geography. Number 1, physical features. Number 2, climate. Number 3, natural resources. Number 4, environmental challenges. Number 5, structure and change in the economy since 1947. Number 6, agriculture, the importance of agriculture to Bangladesh. Number 7, industry. Number 8, the service sector. Number 9, population structure and growth. And the last topic, number 10, health and education. So this is the syllabus I have discussed. Out of 5 chapters in paper 1, any 3 chapters you have to answer in the question paper. 3. And every question paper contains 25 marks. The total comes for 3 questions, 75 marks. Time on 100, time on hour 30 minutes. So about the 5 chapters, you can leave any 2 chapters for study practically, but I suggest all the chapters you have to read. It is important not only for your O-level exam, but for your life. As you are the citizen of Bangladesh, motherland is very precious to you, like your mother. So you have to study all 5 chapters. Number 2, anyway, I want to opine that the important chapters from paper 1 each as follows: the culture and heritage. Next, you may choose for importance. Number 2, the pre-Mughal period. Number 3, the Mughal period. And number 4, from Pakistan to Bangladesh. That is the history of Bangladesh from Pakistan. All these 4 chapters, each of course very important for you, for the question paper and for your future. Now number 2, paper 2. Paper 2, yes, the earlier chapters is very important for you, like physical features. Number 2, climate, natural resources, environmental challenges, and agriculture. I have left structure change in the economy, agriculture. Number 7, industry, service sector, population growth, health and education, health and last chapter number 10, health and education, and any other 2-3 chapter you can leave. So the same things happens for paper 2. Any three chapters you have to answer the questions out of 5 questions. Here also the same mark, 25 marks in each question, and total 3 questions comes 75 marks. Time is same as paper 1, like 1 hour 30 minutes. So thank you very much. Syllabus is completed now. Why not we discuss about question paper? Question paper, paper 1. Paper 1, number 1 is mandatory. Paper 1, number 1 is mandatory. That is the culture and heritage of Bangladesh. First questions has this breakdown like number 1A, number 1B, number 1C. Number 1A, MCQ type questions. Every questions take 1 mark each, and this is MCQ. I said only tick marking, 5 marks. Number B comes 8 marks, 8, 5, 13, and number C 14 marks. 12 marks. So total come 25 marks. So this mandatory, you can leave the question number 1, number 2, and the other questions will come with picture in each question. But